Good morning, students. Today we will do our next exercise number 13.3. So let us see the first question. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So this is a sphere having radius 4.2 centimeter. It is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder, which radius is 6 centimeter. We have to find the height of this cylinder. So when we change the shape of this sphere into cylindrical form, then its volume must be same. So the volume of sphere and the volume of cylinder is equal. Now volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now pi should cancel. 4 by 3, value of r is how much? 4.2. 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. Write 3 times. And the radius of cylinder is 6. 6 into 6 into h. We have to find the height of this cylinder. So on solving this calculation, our answer is 2.74 centimeter approximately. Alright, so this is the height of this cylinder. Please students, this is your question number 1. Next, this is your question number 2. Metallic sphere of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. So find the radius of this resulting new sphere. So there are 3 spheres, metallic sphere having radii 6, 8 and 10. All these 3 spheres are melted and to recast into a new solid shape, which is again in the form of a sphere. So we have to find the resulting radius of this new sphere. So the volume of all 3 metallic sphere is equal to the volume of new metallic sphere. So the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius of first sphere is 6. So write here 6 cube plus 4 by 3 pi 8 cube plus 4 by 3 pi 10 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we have to find the radius of this new resulting sphere. So take 4 by 3 pi common. So what should left here? 6 cube, it is 216, 8 cube is 512 and 10 cube is 1000 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 4 by 3 and 4 by 3, it is cancelled. Pi is again cancelled from both sides. So on adding this, we will get 1728 is equal to r cube. Take this cube on left hand side, it becomes cube root. Now this 1728 is the perfect cube of 12. So the radius of the new resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Alright student. So this is your question number 2. This is your question number 3. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to the form of platform 22 meter by 14 meter. So find the height of this platform. So what is given? This is a well in the shape of a cylindrical form. It is 20 meter deep and the diameter of this well is 7 meter. We have to dug out and the earth evenly spread into a form of a platform having base dimension 22 meter by 14 meter. ठीक है? मतलब well ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ मतलब earth out ਹੋਈ ਹੈ मतलब ਮਿੱਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢੀ ਅਸੀਂ उस मिट्टी का ਅਸੀਂ प्लेटफॉर्म बना लिया और वो जो प्लेटफॉर्म को ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਚ क्यूबॉइडल शेप उस क्यूबॉइडल शेप ਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ बेस डायमेंशन गिवन है बेस डायमेंशन मींस इट्स लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ इज गिवन लेंथ इज 22 एंड द ब्रेड्थ इज 14 मीटर वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर्म मतलब ਜਿਹੜਾ प्लेटफॉर्म ਬਣੂਗਾ ਉਸ प्लेटफॉर्म ਦੀ ਹਾਈਟ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ ਆਲਰਾਈਟ ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ मतलब ਅਸੀਂ अर्थ डग आउट ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ अर्थ मिट्टी का की बना लिया प्लेटफॉर्म. इट मीन्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ टेकन आउट ऑफ वेल इज इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ टेकन आउट फ्रॉम द वेल एंड द वेल इज इन द शेप ऑफ सिलेंडर, सो इट्स वॉल्यूम इज pi r square h and the volume of platform is in the shape of cuboid, so its volume is L into B into h. Now the value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius of this cylindrical well is 7 over 2 because the diameter is 7. That's why radius is 7 by 2. And the height is 20 meter is equal to length. Length of this platform is 22 and the breadth is 14. We have to find its height. So this 7 7 cancel, 2 10s are 20 and 2 11s are 22. So write here 11 into 7 into 10. Take this 22 and 14 on left hand side. So it is divided by this term. Now 11 2s are 22, 2 5s are 10, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 5 by 2, it is approximately 2.5. Therefore, height of this platform is 2.5 meter. Alright student. So this is your question number 3rd. Now this is your question number 4th. This is again same as question number 3rd. The question is a well of diameter 3 meter is dug and 40 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring. So you can see here the earth taken out from this well is spread along it in the shape of a circular ring, which is called embankment. Alright. Circular ring of width 4 meter. The width of this embankment is 4 meter and we have to find its height. We have to find the height of this embankment. It means the volume of earth taken out from this well is equal to the volume of this embankment. Volume of this embankment. And the volume of embankment is in the shape of a circular ring. So again it is the type of a cylinder. Clear students? So the earth taken out from well is in cylindrical form, so the volume is pi r square h, and the embankment is also in the shape of circular ring like this. This is a type of a ring. Clear? So we have to find the outer volume minus inner volume. We will get the volume of embankment. Clear? So outer volume is pi r square h and inner volume is pi r square h. And the height of this embankment, either you can take it from inner side or from outer side. It should be same. ठीक है? यदि height of this embankment दी, चाहे इसे अंदर तो count करो, चाहे outer side तो count करो, that is same. But the radius of inner and outer cylinder is different. Inner radius is how much? 1.5, because diameter of this well is 3, therefore inner radius is 1.5 and this embankment is 4 meter wide. That's why outer radius of this embankment is 4 plus 1.5, that is 5.5. Clear students? So write here pi, radius of well is 3 by 2. So write 3 by 2 times and the height of this well is 14 meter. Take pi common from right hand side and height is also take it as common because the height of embankment is same from inner or from outer side. So height is also common. Radius for outer ring is 5.5 and the radius for inner ring is 1.5. So pi cancel. This 2 7s are 14. This 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are 63. Denominator is only 2. Write here h. 5.5 square is 30.5 and 1.5 square is 2.25. So on the to this 30.25 minus 2.25, it is 28. So take this 28 on left hand side, it is divided by this 63. So 63 over 2 into 28. This is how much? 7 4s are 20 and 7 9s are 63. So the numerator is only 9 and the denominator is 2 4s are 8. And 9 by 8 is approximately 1.125 meter. So therefore height of this embankment is 1.125 meter. Clear students? This is your question number 4th. This is your question number 5th. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height is 15 cm is full of ice cream. So this is a cylindrical container which is full of ice cream having height 15 and the radius is 12 cm. So the ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 cm and the diameter 6 cm having a hemispherical shape on the top. So you can see here ice cream is filled into this cone, alright, having a hemispherical raised top in this cone. ठीक है, नीचे conical shape है और जो ऊपर की है hemisphere. ठीक है, and the height of this cone is 12 and the diameter is 6. So we have to find the number of such cones which can be filled with this ice cream. So we have to find how many cones will be filled from this container, which is full of ice cream. So number of cones filled is equal to volume of cylindrical container divided by volume of each cone. ठीक है, ਤੁਸੀਂ फाइंड करोगे कि कितने कोन्स ਤੁਸੀਂ उस cylindrical container को fill कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so total volume write in the numerator and the volume of each cone is write in the denominator. So we have to divide this, we have to get the number of cones. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, volume of each cone. So each cone, so there are two shapes, one is conical and one is hemisphere. So we have to combine this volume of hemisphere and volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h and the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So take this 1 by 3 common, pi is also common and r square is common because the radius of both hemisphere and cone is same. Clear? So you should cancel this pi, 6 into 6 into 15 right here, 1 by 3. You can take this 3 in right in the numerator. Clear student? Because this 3 का क्या होगा reciprocal. तो उसे हम लिखेंगे in the numerator. So pi cancel. Radius of this cone is 3 because the diameter is 6. So that's why radius is 3 into 3. Height of cone is 12 plus 2r. Radius is 3. Therefore 3 2s are 6. So this 3 cancel. 3 2s are 6. Now 6 2s are 12 into 15 divided by 12 plus 6. How much? 18. So by calculating this, we will get 10. It means total 10 cones are filled with this container. Clear students? So this is your question number 5th. Question number 6th. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and the thickness 2 millimeter must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 centimeter multiplied 10 centimeter multiplied 3.5 centimeter. So there are some coins. So they ask the question, how many coins must be melted to form a cuboid? ठीक है, मतलब तुसी कितने coins लोगे जिनको melt करके एक cuboid बनूंगा और उस cuboid dimension पे नहीं है 5.5 by 10 by 3.5. Clear? So we have to find the number of coins required to form this cuboid. So what we have to do? We have to divide the volume of cuboid with volume of cylinder. Cylinder is this coin because coin is in the shape of a cylinder. Clear? Its thickness means its height. Height is 2 millimeter. So you have to convert this millimeter into centimeter. In 1 millimeter there are 1 by 10 centimeter. So it is 0.2 centimeter. Alright. And the diameter of this coin is 1.75 centimeter. And the dimension of this cuboid is length is 5.5, breadth is 10, and the height is 3.5 centimeter. So put the values. Volume of cuboid L into B into H, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. L is 5.5, breadth is 10, and height is 3.5. Value of pi is how much? 22 over 7. Diameter is 1.75 of this coin. Therefore radius is 1.75 over 2. So write it 2 times, and the height of this coin is 2 millimeter, and you can write here 0.2 centimeter. Clear? So solve this calculation. Our answer is 400. It means we have required 400 coins to form this cuboid. Clear students? This is your question number 6. Next, this is your question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm high and the radius of base is 18 cm is filled with sand. So this is a cylindrical bucket, height is 32 and the radius is 18 cm. It is filled with sand, the bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical head is formed. This is a conical head, its height is 24 cm. So we have to find what? We have to find the radius and slant height of this conical head. Please students, so the volume of this cylindrical bucket is equal to the volume of this conical head. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h and the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So you cancel pi from both sides. So the radius of this cylindrical bucket is 18. So write 18 2 times. Height is 32. Clear? 1 by 3 written as it is. We have to find the radius of this cone. So write r square as it is, and the height of this cone is 24. So take this 24 on left hand side, it is divided by this term, and when this 3 taken on left hand side, it is multiplied with this term. Clear? So r square is 1296, and 1296 is the perfect square of 36. So radius of this conical half is 36 centimeter. Now we have to find its slant height. So the slant height is equal to the under root x square plus r square. Height of conical half is 24 and the radius is 36. So 24 square is 576 and 36 square is 1296. So on adding this we will get 1872, and its root is 12 root 13 centimeter. Clear? So 12 root 13 centimeter is the slant height of this conical head, and the radius is 36 centimeter. So this is your question number 7.